Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to log in online in Sparkasse Bosnia Bank. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword, and then you will see this page. Click the first this page, net banking, and then scroll down, click login. When you click login, click on this login, as you can see here. So friends, when you click login, you can log in with your ID and password. Just write your Sparkasse Bosnia login and then click on this to website, this one. So from here, scroll down, just click on login or net banking. And then you can log in with your ID and password by clicking on this option. So friends, if you want to log in with your app, just download Sparkasse app on Apple, Google Play or App Store, and then complete your login process. So just click on net login and complete your login process. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this